Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I have some new designs from the Washi tape shop, including Christmas. The Washi tape shop just recently sent me some new tapes. I thought I would share them with you. And currently they have a Black Friday early bird sale. The sale runs from November 7th through the 20th for 2024. Spend $75 and you'll receive a free washi tape set worth $23.95. This is a great deal, so don't miss out. And I do have details in the description box about the sale. Now here's a look at the fun washi tape designs they sent me. The first one is pre-cut frozen paws, and I have the wide washi tape. It's also available in the PET style, and I will show you the comparison just a little bit later on in the video. Look at all these adorable cat and winter images. The roll is 5 meters long and the designs loop at about 100 centimeters. And most of the rolls I'm showing in this video have pre-cut images, no fussy cutting required. I'll peel back one of the sticker images so you can see. And the washi tape, if you put it on white cardstock, it blends in beautifully. Next up, I have two rolls that are the same design. These are pre-cut Christmas Marcotte. One of them is wide washi tape and the other is wide PET tape. I'll unwrap both of them so you can see the difference. I've been getting a lot of questions asking what the difference is between the two. So I did ask to get two of the same designs, just one in each style. So I'll put them side by side and you can see the difference. Both of the rolls are 5 meters long and the designs loop at 100 centimeters. I'll open up the washi tape roll first. And I didn't notice it at first, but there's a Christmas tree image was stuck on the back side. Luckily, I didn't ruin it, so I will still be able to use it. So here's a look at the fun designs. I think this will be a great set for making Christmas cards. There's a little hot cocoa booth, other market stands, amusement park rides. There are several Christmas trees and lots of fun Christmas images. Now I'll open up the PET tape roll and I'll lay them side by side, line up the similar designs so you can see the difference between the two styles. As I mentioned earlier in the video, most of the rolls I'm showing have pre-cut designs. So they're basically stickers. I was trying to find the same images so I could lay the two rolls side by side. So here you can see the two Christmas trees, the washi tape on top and the PET tape on the bottom. So the washi tape style has that white background. You'll have a white border around the images. The PET tape is clear. So if you are placing it on pattern paper, you will see some of the pattern paper design. The PET tape style also has a glossy finish. Personally, I love both styles, but I know some people have a preference of one over the other. The next roll is pre-cut Reindeer's Journey wide washi tape. This is a really fun set. There are some larger designs and also some smaller images. The roll is 5 meters and the designs start to loop at 100 centimeters. The next roll is another Christmas design. It's called Silent Night and I have the wide washi tape. This is the only roll I'm showing in this video where the images are not pre-cut, but it's a super cute design and I love that it includes Christmas and winter sentiments. There's winter blessings, believe, holy night, lots of snowman images, cute little critter decorating a Christmas tree, some winter scenes. This is a really cute set. The next set is called Home Sweet Home Washi Tape Sticker Set, and it includes 4 rolls. And all 4 rolls have pre-cut images. I'll open the smaller roll first, and there are some teeny tiny images. These would be perfect to use in planners, journals. I think they'd be cute to decorate envelopes or pattern paper. And 2 of the rolls in this set aren't Christmas or seasonal related, so you could use them year-round. Each roll in this set is 5 meters long, and the designs loop at 38 centimeters. So there aren't quite as many designs on each roll, but since you receive 4 rolls in this set, you still have lots of variety. This set is only available in the washi tape style, not PET tape. Here's a look at the second roll. Lots of images for inside the home. Also has the sentiment, "Love begins at home." It would be fun to create an indoor scene using this roll. The next roll has Christmas, holiday, winter images. Lots of different storefronts. There are Christmas trees, pine sprigs, ice skates, and several sentiments. Happy New Year, have a holly jolly, let it snow, love, peace, and joy, season's greetings. The final roll in this set has more indoor scenes. There's comfy chairs, fireplace, Christmas trees, and many of the images also include a sentiment. I'm trying to be careful when I open these so I don't accidentally pull up one of the images. Some of the sentiments that are included are "Hello Winter Days, merry and bright," "Home is not a place, it's a feeling," another "merry and bright." It's always fun to have the image along with the sentiment. So those are the 4 rolls that are included in the Home Sweet Home washi tape sticker set. Now we'll move away from the Christmas designs. I have a new autumn roll. This one's called Pre-Cut Autumn Friends, and I have the wide PET tape style. This is the English version, so all of the words are in English, and it looks like there's also a Chinese version. It's a little hard to see the script on my gray craft mat, so I'll place a piece of white cardstock underneath. Just go through this roll really quickly so you can get an idea of all the different designs. Lots of different sayings, and I think this would be a great roll to use for a planner, but some of the larger images would also be perfect for cards. This design is also available in the wide washi tape. The final set I'm showing is called Midnight Mischief Washi Tape Sticker Set, and there are 3 rolls included in this set. Each roll has 5 meters and the design loops at 38 centimeters. This set would be perfect for Halloween, and I know Halloween has already passed, but it's never too early to get started on holiday cards for the next year. There are also lots of fun fall images and several images that you could use year-round. All of the rolls are sealed with a piece of clear tape, and I accidentally ripped off one of the little legs, but it's okay, it was just a half image on the end of the roll. The washi tape shop always includes a few extra centimeters on each roll to ensure you have full images. So don't worry about being shorted one of the images if you have that cut image at the end of your roll. So all of the images on the rolls have whimsical black cats. Most of the images on this first roll definitely have that Halloween feel, but there were a couple that would be perfect for fall. So now I'll open up the second roll. No sentiments included in this set, but lots of really cute cat images. This one has more fun Halloween images. I love the cats wearing the witch hats, super cute. There's also a sweet cat with a scarf sitting outside with some autumn foliage. So that would be perfect for a fall card. Now moving on to the final roll in this set. Trying to very carefully open it and not rip any of the adorable images. I think this roll only has a few images that work for Halloween. The rest you could use year-round. There are a couple of images where the cat is wearing a witch's hat. The rest of them are in jars. So those are the 3 rolls that are included in the Midnight Mischief washi tape sticker set. All of the designs I showed in this video are available now, and I do have links in the description box below. The Black Friday early bird sale is going on now, November 7th through November 20th, 2024. Spend $75 and receive a free washi tape set worth $23.95. And if you're watching this video after the sale, you can always save 10% at the washi tape shop with my code KristieM10. Coming soon, I will be sharing some cards using the new designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.